Hello 12th class, we are on the fourth chapter of Indian economic development, that is strategy of industrial growth for the period 1947 to 1990. And to begin with this chapter, we are here to discuss about the importance of industries. Well, as all of you know that the industries play a very important role, especially in context to the growing economies, developing economies. So why we can say that? Because of these main points which we are discussing right now. One, epicenter of economic growth. जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं दे सर्व एज द एपिसेंटर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. वाई? Because of industries the GDP rises. The production, which is the goods which are being produced in the industries, that give rise to your gross domestic product. Or industries, they start replacing agriculture as the engine of growth. Why? Because एग्रीकल्चर की बात अगर हम ना करें तो इंडस्ट्री प्रोड्यूस ए वाइड रेंज ऑफ गुड्स विच द कंज्यूमर्स वुड लाइक टू कंज्यूम. जो जो लोगों की इनकम लेवल राइज होता है, दे बाय मोर एंड मोर गुड्स. वेयर इज द राइज इन द डिमांड फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर गुड्स जो है दैट इज कॉन्सिक्वेंट अपॉन द राइज ऑफ द इनकम एंड इज ऑलवेज मॉडेस्ट. कम होती है वो इन कंपेरिजन टू इंडस्ट्रियल. वाई? बिकॉज एग्रीकल्चर गुड्स जो होती हैं दे आर मेनली कंज्यूमेबल आइटम्स. राइस, wheat, they are the necessities of life and they have low income elasticity. Secondly, the industries are a very good source of employment. In agriculture, the people are involved more than near about 70%, but disguised unemployment बहुत देखने को मिलता है in the agriculture sector. And in fact, जो आपकी लेबर फोर्स है विच इज़ अवेलेबल टू अस, दे आर इन नीड ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. सो इंडस्ट्री इज़ अ मेजर सोर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू देम. देन सोर्स ऑफ मैकेनाइज्ड मीन्स ऑफ फार्मिंग. आप इनडायरेक्टली अपने एग्रेरियन सेक्टर को ही हेल्प कर रहे हो बाय डेवलपिंग द इंडस्ट्रीज. वाई? बिकॉज इन द एग्रेरियन सेक्टर्स you require so many machines also. Harvesters, threshers, tractors. Isn't it? So you are developing your industry, that means you are helping your agriculture only. You are developing your agriculture also side by side. Modernization है, technology advancement है, mechanization है, so that is there in the farming sector also. Then more and more industries means more and more civilization. Why do we say so? Because जो इंडस्ट्रियल साइड है वो आपको अर्बनाइजेशन की तरफ लेके आती है. एग्रीकल्चर मीन्स रूरल पीपल आर रिजाइडिंग देयर in the rural areas. All the people related to the agriculture sector. And industrialization means urbanization. Urbanization means modernization. So people, they have better quality of life in the urban areas, and they acquire more and more education, more and more skills. So hence your human resource is also developing this way. So industrial development is playing its role here also. Then not only this growth of the civilization, infrastructural growth also. More and more industrialization means more and more requirement of the tertiary sector also. Means of communication, transport, banking, insurance services. Isn't it? So that means we are giving overall importance to other sectors also, directly, indirectly, both. Then it is a fact that industrialization means growth. Why? Because growth process or industrialization, they are intimately related, closely related. एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं ये, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज इफ यू फाइंड दे आर डेवलप्ड टुडे बिकॉज ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ओनली. So this was all about your first subtopic. Thank you.